All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect or bind your API to your Binance account so the bots can start trading for you just utilizing the app. One thing that's very important though, like first off, you have to activate your account. If you don't have your account active, you're going to have an error message. So it's very important for you to follow through. So if you click on mine, you'll see that this account, it's not active because I'm using that as an example, but you just watch the other videos prior to this one where I show you how to fund your account and then come in here and activate paying the $100 subscription. And then once that is done, then you'll be able to just go to your home, and right here, the very first option, API bind, that's what you're going to click. If you go to mine right here, there's also, you can come in here to the API bind and it will take you to the same screen. So we're going to select Binance. I'm going to click on this and it's going to give me this code, which is very important. This is the code that I have to copy and paste it to my Binance account. So on the Binance account, I'm using the desktop as an example, but if you are using the app, let me show you here on the phone real quick. If I just went to the Binance app, here's where you find it. Okay, so if you go to click on more, scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to click API management. So if you click here, it's going to ask me to log into my account. Obviously, I don't do Binance on my phone because I'm in the US. That's why I'm using the desktop version utilizing the VPN. Okay, so, but I just wanted to show you where you can find that area. So again, go to your home screen right here, which says more. You're going to click, go all the way to the bottom, and API management right there. So you're going to click, obviously if you're logged in, then it's going to work. But basically it's going to take you to this screen. So if you're on the desktop, you're going to come to where it says profile and then API management, okay? So API management is where you're going to create your APIs. This is something that you can use for just about any bot and so forth. So I have a test here. I'm going to create another one. So the first thing you want to do is name it. So I like to name Royal Q, and I'll just put number 1. Okay, and it's going to ask me for the verification code. So I got to log on to my Gmail account. Give me 1 second. Let's see what account I'm in. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. 1 second, because I'm looking at the other screen here. Just so you guys can see exactly what the process is. And I have to log on to this other email address. Okay. All right, I got a code right here. And I type in the code 466163. And then if you use Google Authenticator, obviously you have, if you have a Binance account, it's going to give you the Google Authenticator code. Okay, so or you have to set that up 345616, and I'll click submit. Boom, and it creates an API process right here. So the first thing you want to do is just click where it says edit, and then right here you're going to enable spot and margin. Okay, so you're going to click this one right here, and it doesn't even allow me to enable withdrawals. Okay, but that's something you do not ever want to give people access to, because then they'll be able to withdraw your funds. Basically, when you check this box, it's basically saying that you authorize the app to trade for you whenever you click automated or just any trades that you want to take. The other option that you have to select is this right here. I just want to make sure that you see it clearly. It's that you have to check that box, and then you're going to select this code right here. Let me take a screenshot. Okay, so you're going to copy here, and then you're going to post here, and then you're going to confirm. Okay, very important. And the API code, this right here, is going to go in your app right there, and the other one is the secret key code. You copy and you input there. Then you're gonna select to send a code to your email, You type in the email or the code, select this box, and click bind, and everything should work. Okay, so let me make sure that I do that with you. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy this code and go to my my app on WhatsApp. Okay, and then the same thing, I'll copy this, and because I'm doing that, one second, it's the API, and then the other one is the key. Double click. Okay, so because I'm doing half on desktop and half on the computer, I send it to myself on WhatsApp so I can input the code here, confirm it's all good, and then I'll click save. It's going to ask for the Google authentication again, and I type 345-616, and it should work. Oh, please verify to go generated. Save. Google Authenticator again. Let's one second. It takes a minute because of all these authentication, which it can be inconvenient, but it's necessary. So if you want to secure your funds, right? So, all right, so it worked, and now I want to go to IQ or Royal Q, and what I want to do is I'm going to go to my WhatsApp and get that code that I sent. The first one is the API, so I'm going to copy and insert here. Let me make sure that I do it correctly. Let's type in, delete, paste it again, and then the secret key, copy here, paste it, and then send the code. Now I'm gonna go, sorry about all these messages, people keep adding me to all these crazy groups. So verification code, I gotta go to the other email. Okay, I got it. 288, one second, 288 578. Check that box and click bind. All right, so this happened, okay, and that's what I wanted to show you again. All right, this happened. Very, very important. Verification email code error. All right, why is it happening? Is because my account, the one that I'm using right now, it's not active, which means I haven't paid the $100 to activate this account. But you should not have any issue because you activated your account first, you deposited the $100, paid the $100, and now you came here watching the whatever the sequence of this video is, and when you go back to where it says right here, API bind, this box right here is going to be orange, and if it's orange, that means that you're good to go. So but that's it. That's the whole process. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or to your sponsor. To us, you can just basically go to your Telegram group and ask any questions, but this is the process, and if you have any technical issues, we'll try our best to help you. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.